Another one of our best sellers, the VW Amarok PanAmericana. This is a 2024 on a 74 plate, delivery mileage. It's got our MASV Black Edition styling. I'm just going to give you a quick walk around video. This is a delivery mileage truck. It's on about 50 delivery miles. Full gloss black styling, all the lower grills, top grills, black badging. We've got our city bar in gloss black at the bottom there. And the dark grey metallic looks fantastic. It's such a nice colour, such a nice contrast with the black arches. These are our smooth arches, 6-piece. We've got 20-inch Velar wheels in gloss black with the Renegade Radar all-terrain tyres. And the PanAmericana, this is a commercial vehicle for your business, so you can run this tax efficiently, claim the VAT back. It's got over a ton payload. We've got gloss black wing mirrors, window deflectors, gloss black roof rails, satin black window surrounds, rear privacy glass, gloss black door handles, black side steps. With the PanAmericana, you get this lovely matte black decal going down the side there. It is vinyl, so if it's not to your taste, it can be removed. I'm just taking down to the rear here. So matte black rear sports bar, 4-motion wing badging, got the tinted rear tail lights, black rear bumper, gloss black rear badge, full load liner in the rear, power point there, lashing points all round. If you do require a roller shutter, canopy, tow bar, we can supply and fit a lot of additional accessories, so please just get in touch, whatever you need. So I'll show you inside. So on the PanAmericana, you get this fantastic looking black interior, and this is called Cricket, which is like a tan. 10-speed automatic gearbox. This is a 3-litre V6. Got the carbon effect interior trims, large 12-inch display, multifunction steering wheel, digital cockpit, push button start. And these have everything you need. You've got your rear diff lock, your different driving modes, wireless phone charging pad there, adaptive cruise control, lane assist. You've got ambient lighting, so everything you'd have in a nice luxury car you've got in one of these PanAmericanas. Black headliner, rubber mats. I'll just show you in the back. There's a few additional power points there, 12 volt and a domestic socket, little fold down armrest, heated rear screen as well. One of the most sought after pickups in the UK at the moment is the VW Amarok 3-litre. They do seem to be the one everyone's going for. This is probably in the nicest colour, in the best specification, with the additional extras as well. LED headlamps there, they're on the daytime running lights. Fantastic. So this one is available today, ready to go. We're over a 12-month waiting list for one of these now from Volkswagen, so if you're after one, be quick. 0777 111 2040. Our website, www.ma-sv.co.uk. On there you'll find the full advert listing, full detailed description, 20+ images. Thank you for watching.